Donald Trump has become the first former U.S. president to be convicted of a felony. Yet he has managed to avoid the typical penalties associated with such a conviction, including jail time or fines. In a highly anticipated decision, Judge Juan Merchan sentenced Trump to what is called an unconditional discharge in relation to the hush money case involving adult film star Stormy Daniels. This sentence effectively ends the first criminal trial ever faced by a former president. In a courtroom that was more subdued than usual, Trump appeared via video from Florida, flanked by his attorney and American flags. For the first time in this extensive legal saga, Trump took the opportunity to speak directly before the court. He described the case as a very terrible experience and attacked the proceedings, claiming the case was politically motivated and part of a weaponization of the judicial system. He accused Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg of bringing the charges for political reasons, asserting his innocence and emphasizing that there was no real case against him. However, Judge Merchan's decision was rooted in a unique set of circumstances. Despite acknowledging the serious nature of Trump's conviction, which stemmed from an effort to cover up a $130,000 payment to Daniels in 2016, Merchan stated that the legal protections afforded to a president-elect meant that the sentence had to be adjusted accordingly. He noted that while the protections associated with the office of the president could not be used as a justification for the crime, they did mandate a legal approach to sentencing that would not hinder Trump's assumption of office. Thus, Merchan ruled that an unconditional discharge was the only lawful option, allowing Trump to avoid jail, fines, or probation. The case itself, which involved Trump's attempts to hide the hush money payment, was part of a broader legal battle that has consumed much of his post-presidential life. He had been found guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records related to the payments, which were intended to prevent damaging information from surfacing before the 2016 presidential election. Despite these charges, Trump denied any wrongdoing and contended that the case was part of a broader political witch hunt. The sentencing has undoubtedly been a moment of both legal and political significance. As Trump prepares to take office again, his conviction stands as a historic marker. It's a reminder that, despite his continued political influence, the legal system holds even high-ranking officials accountable. However, with his discharge, Trump can now move forward with his second presidential term, making history as the first president to do so while carrying a felony conviction. The judge concluded with a message that seemed to echo the unique nature of the case, wishing Trump Godspeed as you assume your second term in office. Stay subscribed for more videos.